On May 20th, 2023, Arkansas State Police attempted to stop a black GMC Sierra driven by 42-year-old Christopher Monroe on Highway 67. Monroe, already wanted for drug trafficking, had fled from police twice before.
YXC, the black gypsy.
Alright, I'm out of the way there.
Oh, that's a male right there. That's a male. Has a 252 to a black GMC Sierra. 29 skills channel.
I think she said correct.
Yeah, he's playing. Got it. We're not calling for the south end for Adam 22, Adam 29, southbound of 2, trying to catch up to a black GMC.
As officers tried to box him in, Monroe took off, reaching 120 miles per hour over the Arkansas River. Trooper Van Schoik attempted a pit maneuver, but crashed into a barrier instead.
22 scratched out. He's doing it. 22 scratched out?
1022, I'm still in it. We're 67 south. I tried to ram his vehicle. Speeds are 115 right now, 67 south, getting on 40 westbound. Blue Rock on Primary, we're westbound Roosevelt.
They talking on Primary, westbound at Roosevelt.
Got him for you, I'll call it now. He's 90.
He's 90.
Passing Main.
Passing Main.
Going up the arch.
Going up the arch.
Passing Izzard Street.
Passing Izzard Street.
Looks like we're going to be going south on MLK. Sorry, I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt.
Eastbound Roosevelt.
Got it there, got it there.
Hit and roll over.
Sorry, I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up.
Eastbound Roosevelt, eastbound Roosevelt.
Eastbound Roosevelt.
Got a pig, got a roll over.
Hit and roll over.
Get out the car! Other side, other side.
Get out the fucking car, you stupid!
Put your hands! Put your hands by your back!
Get out the fucking car!
Wait, I got it. Hey, man, I can't go that way, man.
No, hey, that's the way you're going. Stupid bitch. God damn it.
Give me your hand, motherfucker!
Twist my arm around, dog! Shit! Ow! Right here. We're good.
piece of fucking shit. Get up. Get your ass up.
God damn, my leg broke. My leg broke, bro.
Get up!
My leg is broke.
Get up!
Ah!
Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down.
Oh!
Hey.
You put a lot of fucking people at risk doing that stupid shit.
Dude, 4 fucking times, you motherfucker.
Hey, did anybody get
4
hurt?
motherfucking times.
Anybody get hurt though?
Fuck you.
Shut up!
Hey.
Shut up!
Nobody got hurt because I fucking needed it. You stupid ass.
Ain't nobody get hurt.
I got it. Hey. 22 to the right, 10-16. 2 to the left. Anybody else running? Hey, 56 cars on the road. What do you say?
What's this, Sergeant?
Hey, you're gonna get in the car. You're gonna get in the car.
Get your ass up.
Get up.
Fine, we'll drag his ass in.
All I got is 10 boys.
Here, put him in here.
Hey, stand him up, mate. Go out there.
I take him.
We'll put him in the car right now. Get the road clear.
Get up. Up.
Get your ass up. Get in the fucking door.
Get in there.
All right, go to the other side, pull his ass in.
Shit. I can't. I ain't got no feeling in my goddamn leg.
That's your fault.
Come on. Get in here. Come on, be a man.
Put your fucking legs in.
You're a man, aren't you?
Motherfucker.
I just had to reach in the air.
Hey, stop and start your camera.